sasa huduma digital center yetu tayari imekwisha anzishwa rasmi na waziri wetu Mheshimiwa Moses Kuria, katibu wetu makamu Ganesha kushuhudia, DG wetu, CEO na hata mwenyekiti wote wakiwa
kazi hadi waajiri nakwambia jipange urudi kwa
Karibu waziri. Salama sana. Nitaomba viongozi, tutaingia tu wachache kwa sababu yana nafasi yetu, wajumbe waingie, nafasi yetu ikishajaa wengine. NYS, the chairman and the team, and then our last photo of the CS, the PS, the RC, the county commissioner, and the Ngao team. That will have factored it 5 minutes. After that, we'll do, after the trip lunch, we'll do the groundbreaking. At the groundbreaking, we have given it 10 minutes, then the photo session 5 minutes, then we'll have a walk led by the Salvation Army Band, which will take us like 10 minutes to the ground where we are. Once we get the ground, sir, we have a linear demonstration of what Huduma does, and the sagas, the 6 of them, will be taken through on a linear way, but 2 have been identified where we'll take a bit of some time, which is 4 minutes, that is 8. After that, sir, we'll proceed to the dais. Our Huduma choir will lead us in the national anthem and the East African community anthem. We'll be led in a word of prayer. We'll have 3 sets of entertainment, each taking a brief of 2 minutes each, that is 6 minutes. And after that, a welcome remark by the PS, Karibu sana bana PS, Mr. Amos Gadesha. Then the area MP will make a remark and introduce all the other elected leaders, that is Mheshimiwa Karemba. Then Her Excellency will do her remarks and introduce the county leadership. It will be taken, the governor will invite you to make your remark. And then after the remark, we'll be at liberty for you to tell us whether to go home or to remain. Karemba will advise. Yes, sir. So maybe I can give the local leadership a minute and the CEO. Yes, sir.
That program, how does it take?
Yes, we've synchronized. We've synchronized with the pre is taking like 45 minutes. So by the time the 45 minutes is ending, we go on.
So what will happen here is that they will take photos here. They'll be running them before we go home.
When are you going to
at 10:45.
What time is it?
10:20. So we have factored that.
But you see, 10:45, where are we going to be?
What will happen here is they will take the recording here. It will be running. So the live will start earlier because the recording here will be going on as we move on. Yes, to start there. Yes, that's what we're doing.
Now the other problem is, the governor is going for a bari. Sasa tumekubaliana atatoka 10 minutes to noon. Unajua ni Waislamu na wanangoja. So amesema just give her a room there in between before she leaves, without disrupting the rest of the group. Tunaweza kuachia mheshimiwa, so she doesn't mind making a remark in the middle.
So Waziri, karibu sana. I think everything is ready. We are all set for the occasion, and this project is a project that has really excited this community. And every other person I have met in the last 1 month has
30 years ago,
Uh-huh.
1994. And my last station.
When we talk about founding fathers. Imagine wale watoto wako pale wakisikia. Wakisikia watu kitabu gani ya historia hawajasoma.
And then this was my last station as a county commissioner in the field before I went back to Nairobi. And therefore I'm excited to come back. I'm also excited that we're having this Huduma Center being established here. I think it's a very big plus for you
Oh, yes, it is.
and the community.
Yeah.
And for us as a ministry, because our ambition is to have as many Huduma centers as possible. I think the next one we are going to break is in Molo. Molo, I think we'll get a date.
So next week we will have a cartoon.
Okay, so it's very exciting for us. Whenever we see
And
the RC is here, and the county commissioner, I told them that you're coming, and I'm happy that they have honored us with their presence. She must be the DCC.
Yes, it is.
So this is region.
Region Eastern.
How is the region? So tuambie mambo ya project.
Thank you, Eric. This is a very unique project because out of your vision, it needs to combine both the Huduma Center and the digital hub. Yes, can come and do this excellence in the president. I'm very passionate about. That's one. Number two, it's a fast collaboration together we should be building with the national government CDF. Because moving forward, we've said we have got over 290 constituencies. So this is a demonstration of the collaboration between your office, the ministry, and the CDF team, which will fast track the rolling out of Huduma centers nationally across all the constituencies. I think it's going to add on to the issue of youth employment, which you're very passionate about. I was seeing your speech recently, Mario, where you said you need to teach the young people how to fish, not to give them fish. And this is one of those projects that will facilitate that. Because if they are thinking about registering a business, they can come to a Huduma Center. If they want to get a KRP, they can come to a Huduma Center. If they want them to go to the hub online to do those jobs that are available, they will be able then to be facilitated. Finally, I think Bwana CS, it is a big collaboration with the DG NYS, where NYS will be building the entire facility, and we are looking forward to this.
You know, you put into bracket there. Therein after referred to as a contractor.
So therein referred as a contractor. Yes, I'll allow my senior to say something, and we close it out. Okay, the chairman.
Thank you very much, Waziri. Maybe to take up from where he is. And we have trained the last 5 years about 1,663, 1,763 NYS called. And those are the ones that we have trained and the ones that we shall collaborate with in this construction.
Or the ones
The
from
key
this
thing-
community.
From this community, from here,
Who have
from this
graduated-
county who have graduated.
na
Servicemen.
wanalengalenga tu hapa hivi.
Wherever they are, we give them the net. What is critical in our system is our focus is on patriotism. More so because of what DS was saying. These are people who don't know what is Kenya, what is our identity, what is our national purpose, what is our interests, and all that are in the constitution. So we normally focus on constitutional patriotism. And then we give them the ability to do what is right as an individual and what is right as a team. And then we give them the skills that they want. So those ones are the ones who are collaborating with our here to work together for labor. We shall not bring any labor, but then we have the collaboration so that those who are doing that labor
obviously
are
you-
guided by NYS, and then they understand the issues of discipline.
Have you started them already?
No, because it's we have to, that has to be done with the local.
Also, you are doing first the internal team from NYS, and then they will
And then
reach out.
mainly the Yeah, because he's the one, because they must come from here.
Yes.
They
So how
cannot
come
come
you need
from
to share
back.
the data?
We even
Yes,
have
yes,
a
yes.
lot of them who are already reaching out to us.
The X and Y.
We have the data.
Yes.
We'll give you the
So
data.
much
Including
more.
this
I
morning.
don't mind the people coming from
Yes.
but strictly they must be X and Y.
So nice.
That's a brand.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, there is a data you'll be given.
We
You'll
get
be
a data.
given
We
the
have got
data.
quarter of a million
Okay.
people who have gone through NYS and they are out there like.
But for him it's 1,763.
Yes.
So you'll be given that data. And then it's up to you. We cannot
The
say.
last time I tried to get this data, your people are. This data will be free data. Because these are his people, they are his voters.
No,
There's a
you will get
commission.
that.
So
What we have said.
I need to have this data so that I can
Yeah.
distribute it to the local leaders and tell them what to do with them.
And on the same Waziri, they should not disappoint on that aspect of labor, because I am the chair labor committee in the
Yes.
National Assembly. So all aspects labor should be properly organized. And then
Some
again,
of them, they want to should go. Tell them, there's a certain constitution called donations.
yes.
Usijifanye hata unajua uko wapi.
It
I
is
think
you.
the
It
indulgence
is
of
you
the
who will
cabinet
decide, not us.
secretary,
Yes.
Mr. Chair, that we need to move now to the next level.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right.
Yes. Let's appreciate Waziri kwa makofi. Thank you so much. I'll request the PS, Mr. Amos Kadesha, Mr. PS, Mheshimiwa tafadhali, and the Director General. Let's hear. I also request Mheshimiwa na yeye endelee kupata. Inaenda sawa. Iko sawa. Picha next. Yeah, picha next. Picha next. Let us appreciate our peers. Wanahamasisha kwa makofi. Thank you, sir. Mheshimiwa naye anaendelea kupanda na commissioner wetu.
wakati huu mgeni wetu rasmi, waziri wetu Mheshimiwa Moses Kuria, Cabinet Secretary Minister of Public Service, Performance and Delivery Management, anavalishwa magwanda rasmi ili kuweza kuvuja ardhi ili tuweze kuanzia siku ya leo kutenda kazi na ujenzi wa huduma digital center uweze kuanza. Kwa hivyo naona waziri pamoja na katibu wetu na CEO wetu wako tayari sasa kutekeleza jukumu ambalo ni groundbreaking, ukipenda kuvuja ardhi. Wale tuko mbele ya jembe tafadhali tungoje. Wale tuko mbele ya jembe tungoje tafadhali. Naona operator anamwelekeza waziri wetu taratibu. Akitazama kwa karibu ni PS wetu Mwanaamu Mkadesha, bila kusahau mjumbe wetu Mheshimiwa Karema ambaye vile vile amevaa mbili sasa, ana white mbili. Mwakilishi wetu wa kinadada women rep wetu vile vile yuko nasi. Waziri wetu anainua taratibu. Naomba wale tuko mbele ya jembe tuondoke kidogo. Kwa ustadi mwingi, Mheshimiwa Moses Kuria analiweka jembe chini na kuvuja ardhi. Bendi tafadhali, fanfare.